In this video, I am going to show you how to activate an AT&T SIM card. Of course, activation only works if you already have an active AT&T account and plan. Or as an example, you're setting up a new one. A SIM with no plan attached to it, it won't activate no matter what you do. So if activation fails after basically 24 hours, it's almost always an account side issue, not the phone itself. So first of all, you would like to insert the SIM card. Make sure that the power off or to power off the phone before inserting. It just makes it better. Of course, you can keep it on, but it's better to do it while it's off, especially for the first time. And you can of course use the SIM eject tool or basically a paper clip to pop off the tray. Then you would like to place the SIM or SIM in the tray correctly. So the gold chip facing down, notched aligned. And of course, push the tray back in firmly. A SIM that is basically isn't seated properly won't be detected at all. So once you put the SIM into your phone, they will ask you, of course, to enter the code of the SIM. It's usually included with the papers that you buy the SIM from. Then you would like to activate through AT&T website or application. Go to att.com/activate or open my AT&T app, sign in or create an account if it's a new line, then enter the SIM card. Basically, it's the ICC ID found on the SIM card or packaging. And also you'll need to enter the IMEA. It's found on the phone settings or on the box as well. So follow the prompts basically to confirm your plan and complete activation. Then you'll have to wait for the network to register. You can power on the phone back, as example, if it's not powered on yet, enter the SIM card code, wait from 5 to 15 minutes for the carrier signal to appear. Check that the top status bar for AT&T signal and signal bar is correctly working. And if you kept your phone working all the time you didn't power it off, and as an example, after 15 minutes nothing works, you can just go and put your phone into plane mode, then remove it and see if it works or the signal came. If not, make sure to turn off or restart your phone. Then you'll just have to check the top status bar for AT&T and signal bars, and new activation can sometimes take up to a couple hours to fully process on AT&T network, so don't be worried if it didn't work for the first hour, as example. And of course, you can update also the carrier settings if needed. You can go to settings, then general, about, as example, on iPhone, or check for the carrier settings updates prompts. On Android, as example, you can just restart the phone, and this usually pulls the updates carrier profile automatically. And then once you're done with that, you can test your SIM. So try making a call or sending a text. Check the mobile data by opening a browser. Turn off the Wi-Fi first to confirm it's actually using a serial or cellular. And yeah, if the SIM of course isn't activated yet, just check that you have correct SIM insertion. This you have activated correctly through the online or app. Wait at least for a few hours. If it still shows no service or activation failed, then the issue is usually the IMEI isn't compatible with AT&T network, or the account and plan wasn't properly linked to that SIM, or a network side delay or outage. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.